Hello viewers, this is Palace Kiddies Craft. Today we'll be learning how to make some lovely pencil and pen toppers, good as back to school crafts. To make this, pick a rectangular strip of paper of dimensions 30 centimeters by 15 centimeters. Fold into 2 equal halves and use a scissors to slit the closed end along the length. Open up along the cutout length and unfold backwards. Put the ends together. Tuck in the pen and begin to wrap the paper around the lid of the pen. Cut off the upper flap just before the end. Cut it off like that. Apply some glue. And complete the wrapping. Put it aside to dry, and once it dries up, write "good to see you" on it. To make the heart-shaped pencil topper, pick a strip of rectangular paper and begin to fold triangles along the stretch of the paper in this form. Cut off a large chunk of what is left. Then tuck in the flap. Tuck it inwards like that. Now glue down the open ends, the sides of the triangle, glue them down. Turn the apex of the triangle down and cut off the right and left upper edges. Bend inwards the middle part to form the heart shape. Bend it inwards like that. Then put a little slit at the lower portion and just tuck a pencil into the place. Get a piece of paper, label it "Welcome Back," stick it down, and then we have the heart-shaped pencil topper. If it's not stable, you could put some glue around the pencil. Tuck it inwards and leave it to dry. So now to make the leaf pencil topper, Pick a triangular piece of paper and begin to fold in this form. Fold into two to join at the middle. Pick a scissors and put a hole at the center. Tuck the pencil in to the hole. And then apply glue to bring the middle portion together. Label two pieces of paper, "I miss you," and stick them down to the upper and the lower sides. One on each side. Now that all our toppers are ready, our children can have lovely back to school gift items for their friends. If you like the video, thank you.